In this video, I will show you how to create a WordPress website without hosting. Now, this is actually very easy, so let's get started. The first thing we need to do is to go to wordpress.com and then tap on Get Started in the upper right corner of our screen. Alright, now we need to create our account, and we can either create an account with Google, Apple, GitHub, or with our email, which is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to paste my email, I'm going to tap on continue, and now it is creating our account. So as you can see, now we can choose our domain name. So we can basically type any domain name that we want. For example, this is a test by me. Let's see if this is available. As you can see, it is. And what you can do is, as you can see, if you want to select this is a test by me.blog, you need to pay because this is a premium domain name. But if you want to get a free domain name, so without hosting, as you can see, this is a test by me3.wordpress.com, and that domain name is free. So when you tap on select, and as you can see, $0, then you tap on continue, and now it is, as you can see, you can select free, so you can select a free plan instead of a paid plan. As you can see, we can tap on start for free, and now it is creating our WordPress account for free. So we can just it doesn't actually matter, we can tap this. Alright, so this is our site name, so this is a test, just testing some things out, then tap on continue, and yeah, we can basically create our first post, watch videos, choose a theme. But let's go to our dashboard for now, and yeah, now we are basically in our WordPress.com website, or in our web dashboard. So we can tap on this to go to the front end of our website, and as you can see, this is the front end of our website. Now, this is a free website, but you can also upgrade, and then you have premium domain, so your own domain name, as well as just some premium things. So as you can see, you can upgrade over here, and for like a few euros, a few dollars per month, you get a free domain name and more premium themes, no advertisements, etc., etc. So that is basically how you can create a website without hosting on WordPress. I hope this video was helpful, and if this was the case, please consider subscribing to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.